So here we've got Artex sealing, stippled effect Artex, fairly rough walls, although the chimney breast looks like it's been plastered at some point. We've got the old timber rounded edges to the windows. We had old-fashioned skirting board mounted sockets. So we've taken the old socket off, the skirting board mounted socket, and as you can see we've got our ring main there. We've got two cables, two 2.5mm twin and earth cables. So these are the ring main cables. So basically we're going to add two new sockets onto this wall. One somewhere about here and one somewhere just over there. And we'll use modern back boxes and modern switch faces. After that we're then going to put skim beads on these rounded timber corners. And so we're then going to plaster the room to a nice smooth finish and have nice sharp edges, nice sharp corner beads. So there's the sockets in place now. Back boxes are fixed in. There's the one over there. The idea is there's going to be a bed in the middle, and so you've got a socket either side of the bed. As you can see, back boxes are fixed in. We've put rubber grommet just on the back box there to stop the back box slicing the wire, and also we've earthed the back box to the socket. Same on this one. So the back box is earthed to the socket face, and we have a rubber grommet in place. These are actually connected to the ring main. They're not actually spares, so they are ring main sockets. Okay, so that's that done. We'll get on with the plastering now.
You're just doing this for your fun, aren't you? Hoping I'll drop it or something.
And here we see Mark taking down the blinds, and we've now put the skim beads around the windows. And there he is, taking the blind off, doing an expert job. As you can see, he's very careful in what he does.
Well, they're not knock over your digestives.
Yeah. Yes, nicely done. As you can see, skillful guy there.
Oh yeah.
As you can see, we've started plastering now. This end of the room, more or less done. Bit of work to do up there on the curved bits, just to get them a bit smoother. Walls, nice and smooth. There's the sockets we fitted, all buried. All the cables are buried into the wall, and it's plastered. So next thing, we're going to do that bit of the ceiling and the window wall. And that should take us to the end of today. As you can see now, plastering's nearly finished. Some of it's drying out nicely in the alcoves there. There's where we started, there's our sockets in place, and that's dried out really well. Still Got a bit to dry out around the coving area. Window walls all finished. All we're going to do tomorrow is finish the ceiling and we're all done. Okay, plastering all finished, ceiling's done, curvy bits are done, everywhere's drying out nicely. And there's our sockets in place over there. You just need to screw those up so they're nice and tight. And we've got nice sharp edges now where we used to have rounded timber. So we've got nice sharp corner beads. Same on all corners, either side of the chimney breast, nice sharp corner beads. All plastered, skimmed, ready to paint. Although we won't be painting it, the customer's going to do that. So that's our job complete. Just a bit of tidying up to do and we're done.